This is a brand new 2012 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. Its top features include a sunroof, speed-sensitive volume controls, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power passenger seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a CD player, fog lamps, roof rails, stability control, the Tele-Aid system, a folding rear seat, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
We are South Florida's oldest and most prestigious Mercedes-Benz dealer, winner of 9 consecutive Best of the Best awards. Over 50 years of service to our clientele, helping them discover the Mercedes-Benz experience, one customer at a time. We are located at 300 Almeria Avenue in Coral Gables.